See, as I'm watching the baby birds, look at them stretching their necks. The mama bird and the baby birds, they're watching for their father to come back with the food. Nature's so beautiful. Sorry, it's a little shaky. Try to be still. This is zoomed up. If I went any closer towards the birds, I'm guessing I'd probably get attacked.
Yeah, you will.
Yeah, I know. See, as the baby bird.
You'll be out like all bruised up.
Yes, I know. See, as the baby bird, look at it open its mouth. There goes the mama. I know, it's so beautiful. Then again, sorry again, that's shaky. Not very good with the camera. Oh, just open. This is really nice, watching the birds. Open. No sign of the dad bird yet. Sorry, looking for the dad. Really nice watching. Oh, the mama bird was about to get defensive. Oh, look at it. Look at the baby. Look at the baby bird. Sorry, that good. Sorry again. I'm not very good with the camera. Well, I gotta go in the house.